I'm going to show you my exact 3-minute workflow to go from a blank screen to a playable open world. No coding, no massive budget, just smart AI. First, I'll give you the fast version so you can start building immediately, and then we're diving deep into the technical secrets of every single tool. Let's get to work. Creating a massive open world like GTA once took years and millions. Not anymore. With the right AI, you can build a professional game without coding. I found 5 free tools that handle everything, from 3D worlds to missions, and can take you from idea to playable game fast. Let's dive in. Number 1, Rosebud AI. This is your foundation. Rosebud is a vibe coding game engine that turns your text descriptions into a functional game map. Watch how I can just type a command to make the character jump higher or add a new building, and the AI instantly writes the JavaScript in the middle panel. You are seeing a live preview on the right side of the screen that updates as we go. It handles the physics, the gravity, and the movement mechanics automatically, so you can focus on the story and the fun instead of the math. Number 2, Meshy AI. Now that we have a world, we need high-quality assets. Instead of spending days in complex 3D software, you just describe what you want. Take a look at the detail on this silver supercar. The AI generated the 4K textures, the metallic reflections, and the complex geometry of the wheels in under a minute. These are production-ready models that you can download and drop straight into your game. Whether you need a futuristic vehicle for GTA or a custom character for Minecraft, this tool makes 3D modeling accessible to everyone. Number 3, Blockade Labs. This is the secret to making your game feel massive. It generates 360-degree 8K skyboxes that wrap around your entire level. As you see me spin the camera, notice how there are no seams in the image. This isn't just a picture, it's a full environment. You can change the lighting from a neon night to a bright desert morning just by clicking a button. This sets the entire atmosphere and makes your world feel infinite without taking up all your computer's memory. Number 4, Inworld AI. To make a city feel like GTA, you need people who can actually talk and think. Inworld gives your characters a brain. These aren't just robots with fixed scripts. As I set up the character profile on the screen, I'm giving this NPC a personality, memories, and goals. They can have real-time conversations with the player and react to what you do in the game. This turns a boring, empty map into a living, breathing society where every person you meet has something unique to say. Finally, number 5. Anitya. After you've built the world, the cars, and the people, you need to share it. Anitya is a one-click publishing platform. It takes your entire project and hosts it for free on a unique web link. You can see how easy it is to drag assets into the scene and hit publish. Once you're done, anyone can play your game on their phone, laptop, or even in VR without downloading anything. You've got the tools. Now go out there and build something legendary.